Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my thesis presentation. My name is Sigi Chanwar, and I am currently pursuing my master in communication with a focus on AI for sustainability communication. In this video, I will present my thesis topic. The title is How is Miche Ice Cream Identity Brand Identity Built and Communicated in Indonesia? Next, and this is the overview of my presentation. The first one is background, second is problem, third is literature review, fourth methodology, the last one is reference. Next one. This is my background of my thesis. In recent years, Miche, Chinese ice cream and the franchise brand, has become a viral phenomenon in Indonesia. Miche expansion has been rapid despite only being present since 2020. The brand has already had more than 1,000 outlets across Indonesia by already 2023. Public interaction is also high. Social media is filled with memes and jokes that don't let there be identity somehow. Later, it will be turned into mission. Which illustration how widespread the brand has become. The iconic Snow King mascot and Miche catchy jingle have helped strengthen the brand identity and appeal to young consumers. Academically, examining Miche brand identity is important to understand how strong branding element and viral marketing strategies can create broad brand awareness, build customer loyalty, and drive rapid business growth in a short period of time. Next one. And the second is problem. Based on background before, the problem formulation in this study is as follows. How is Miche ice cream and tea brand identity well and communicated in Indonesia? My objective is to explore Miche communication strategies and identify how consistent cross-channel message combined with cultural adaptation help shape its brand image and connect with Indonesian consumers. I also aim to understand how Miche maintains its global brand element while still localizing content effectively. Next one. This is the literature review of my thesis. The first one is a brand identity. According to Jan Noel Kemper, brand identity is a set of unique features that define a brand and shape how it wants to be perceived. His brand identity price outlines 6 key facts: is physique, personality, culture, relationship, reflection, and self-image. These dimensions help a brand express who it is not just through visual and logo, but also through its tone, value, and customer engagement. In the case of Miche, the Snow King mascot reflects personality and fun. The jingle adds to its cultural impression, and the affordability shapes how consumers see themselves when consuming the brand. David Acker also defines brand identity as the core essence of what a brand stands for. He emphasized that brand identity should include product attributes, organizational values, brand personality, and symbols like Miche, red, red ham, storefront, and snowman character. However, both models assume the brand has full control over its image, which may not fully apply in the digital age where user create viral content beyond the brand's management. Second one is IMC, Integrated marketing communication. Cutler and Keller define IMC as the coordination of all promotional tools to deliver a clear, consistent, and compelling message about brand. These include advertising, public relation, social media, event, and in-store experience. Miche does this well. The first one is maintains the same visual branding across all stores. And the second, consistently use its jingle and mascot on social media and physical outlets. The third one is engage young audience through viral TikTok campaigns and collaboration with influencers. However, the traditional IMC theory assumes full message control, while Miche popularity offer reflection on user-generated content, memes, jokes, and spontaneous virality that IMC doesn't fully explain. The next one is global branding strategy and localization, which means when brands expand internationally, they must choose between standardization and adoption. Niche adopt a globalization strategy, keeping global elements like its logo and brand essence while adapting its communication to an Indonesian culture. This include using bahasa Indonesia on social media, referencing local pop culture, and then customizing menu items to suit Indonesian tastes. Such adaptation will local relevance with losing global consistently. The brand identity needs to be managed consistently and sustainability. Kotler and Proverbs state that brand identity contains long-lasting values that are strategic, while brand image is more changeable and more tactical. The next one, the next one is methodology. In summary, my thesis explored how Miche blends strong brand identity, consistent communication, and cultural sensitivity to succeed in Indonesia. Through a qualitative case study approach, I analyzed Miche communication materials, visual element, and consumer engagement. Strategy using the theory of Kepler and Acker and also Kotler. I will now explain my research methodology in the next session. And the data collection is first one I will do customer surveys and then in the interview with some many people in the store of Miche and then observational analysis of the restaurant ambience. The references is first one I use the Acker DA, building strong brands from New York Free Pass. And then Kepler is the new strategic brand management, creating and sustaining brand equity long term, the London Kogan page. And the next is Kotler, P. and Keller, the marketing management. The next is Comic SCV Gonçalves, which the title is the strategic the role of integrated marketing communication in building brand value. The next is Sampodo Y. Ibrahim. Title is integrasi budaya lokal dalam iklan sebagai strategi pemasaran produk global. The next Lee X and Lee Wu Chow X. Localization strategies in emerging markets journal of international marketing. And the last one I use the Okazaki and Tyler. And the title is Who Standardize Advertising More Frequently and Why Do They Do So? A comparison of US and Japan subsidiaries advertising practice in the European Union. And then all about of my presentation of this thesis. Thank you for watching my presentation. I will do it for the next step. Thank you, everyone.